Bridal Connection is a family-owned business. We've been in business for 26 years. We're a full-service bridal salon. Our vision for Bridal Connection started, actually, I am a mother of 5 children. I have 4 boys, wasn't going to have any more children, and here came our little baby girl, Zoe, that we needed to earn more money because we were having a girl. Our passion for Bridal Connection was for our daughter Zoe to have something that she could, grow into. As she came into the picture, so did we, of course, and we just kind of fell in love with servicing and taking care of all our brides. We just fell in love with just being a big part of their big day, and it's been a blessing for us to be able to do that and just showcase all our beautiful gowns, our bigger range of sizes that we have, and different price points that we also carry here at our store.
We actually care about our brides. They are not just a number or a sale. They are people, and we care about their day and their vision, and we actually become friends with a lot of our brides. We also give back to the community consistently. We give away wedding dresses for different events and functions and charities. So we've done so much by giving back. We also get invited to our bride's wedding, which is very unusual because, at least I learned recently that it's unusual because most people are like, what? You get invited to weddings? And we become friends with a lot of our brides. So later, even after the wedding, we become friends. We're Facebook friends. We actually see each other in person. So we actually care, and that's really the bottom line, is that's what and we've been recognized nationally by the Today Show. Now, I know that there'll be other things that are maybe more important, like the birth of a first child, but I'm going to be part of their selection of the dress that's going to be more than any other garment they're ever going to wear. So we're excited about that. I'm excited about that, and I love actually making that connection with our brides and actually becoming friends. Now, I don't become friends with all my brides, but quite a few of them have we become really, really good friends with, and there's nothing better than that. Just knowing that we've made their day and that they're happy.
So what makes Bridal Connection so unique is that we really strive to give all our brides and everyone walking through the door an amazing experience. We carry sizes from 2 all the way to 32, and we can help any bride in any time frame with any budget that they're working with.
One of our exclusive designers is Randy Fanoli Bridal, as you all know from the hit show Say Yes to the Dress. We are the exclusive retailer in San Antonio for Maury Lee Bridal. We carry all their lines from their newest collection, the Other White Dress, to the Madeline Gardner signature collections and everything in between. We have a huge array of dresses by Maury Lee that are absolutely phenomenal in every price point.
Some of the other designers that we also carry are our Destination line, which is Christina Wu. We have some of her designs, which are amazing. They're great if you're getting married in Cancun or need something in Hawaii or just anything gorgeous. Our newest collection that we just started carrying is Rosa Clara. We're the exclusive retailer for them. They are from Spain, and their designs are beautiful. If you're looking for an amazing ball gown or something with a little light boho flair, they're one of the best designers for that as well. And we also carry some social dresses, so anyone, when prom comes back, or if you're having a birthday, a sweet 16, or a quinceañera and want something totally out of the water and just totally different, you can definitely come here and check out our social gowns. We carry Paul Lane Fashion Group. Their designs are from Russia, and we are also the exclusive retailer for them as well. And they have some amazing, beautiful dresses that are just incredibly different, and if you want something that no one else is gonna have, that's definitely the designer for you. So something that we are doing to protect everyone, especially during this time of COVID, we are having everyone wear a mask. As soon as you walk in, we ask that everyone except the bride go ahead and use the hand sanitizer right at the front. We also have some located around the store. And then we actually physically take our brides into the bathroom so they can wash their hands with soap and water. as like referred by CDC. And then we go ahead and take them to the room to go and put their dresses on. And we do help them with that. And everyone still does wear their masks. We do allow that after, they pick their gown, if they want to take a picture and we're all 6 feet away, that they can remove the mask for the picture. And then we also sanitize everything. We sanitize the rooms. We have a CDC approved formula that we spray everywhere with all the touch points at the front and the back of the store to help keep everyone safe and just ensure that everyone has a safe and great experience. And for anyone that's still not comfortable coming out in public, we do offer another way, which is also the virtual appointments. We do it, we can do on FaceTime if you have Apple, or we could do WhatsApp for Android or Zoom, whatever is easier for you. We have all of them, so we can go ahead and do whichever is going to be easiest. And especially if you're out of state and can't make it in for any like bridesmaids that are in that kind of situation, we do offer that as well to help you get your dress for your bride.
All right, brides, we just want to remind you that Bridal Connection at Stone Oak is here for you. We're not going anywhere. We've been in business for 26 years. We absolutely welcome you to contact us via email, bridal.connection@yahoo.com. You can also reach out by phone, 210-967-4696. Also on our website, www.bridalconnectionsa.com. And you can also message us on Instagram, on Facebook, whatever is the easiest for you. If you want the most amazing experience of your life to pick that dream dress, we have been voted, in Best Business in San Antonio. We've also won numerous awards for Bride's Favorite. We've won multiple awards for various in the bridal industry. And just know that you are safe here with us. We'll take care of you, and we look forward to serving you.